She Loves the Jerk by John Hiatt. G, A minor, D. That's kind of how he opens it when he plays it solo. And then it starts in the verse. A minor. And he walks up to a C. There's a quick A minor D. A minor. Then it goes up to D, then it goes to an E minor, and then a major. A minor, D, G. Nature. She knows it'll never work. She loves the jerk. That's an A minor to a never to D, and then he gets a C. She loves the jerk. And he does a cool little thing, but on the record, it does a different thing. It just goes A minor to D. He does a little different. There's a cool little passage there, which I can show you. It's just kind of an A minor 7th fingering, and then he kind of slides it up. Same position as an A minor 7th, right? You can see that. I'm pinching it here, and then just slide up to, and then to D. Pretty cool move, actually. I notice he does it different every time. So. And the second verse is the same changes. He kind of does a strum. You can do it with a pick too. A minor to D, back to G. Walk up to the C. That's an open A with a B and then a C on the fifth string. Kind of a nice little move. Then you go to your E minor, and on the record it goes a little picking thing that the electric guitar does, which is just open and then like an E minor coming up from the E and the B and the G string. And then you make your E major by in your G sharp there. So it sounds like. And then E minor to D, G to E major. So and so, she knows it'll never work. D, she loves the jerk. And he sets up the bridge. And he goes to a G7th. Which is the F note on the high E string. And then he goes, he walks up, he goes to the C, then he goes to a D, and then he goes to a B7th, you know that one, to an E minor, and then back up to a C, and then to a B7th, and then an E minor, to D. Then he does a tricky move, typical John Hiatt. Jumps right up to an E major. And now you're in the key of A. Goes to the A. Well, I'm playing this type of A chord. You know this one. Or you can do it this way. Reach your pinky up and hit the 5th fret. B and E string. If you know that voicing, it's kind of cool. Or just do an A. Then jumps right to an F sharp major. Okay. A B minor, stays at the B minor, it'll never to E, then it rests on the D. She loves the jerk. And then what he does on his 1984 version, which I really like because he's playing solo, is he goes, no, it'll never work. She loves, and then he goes up to this A.